Thai military launches coordinated attack on Cambodian forces along border. Lieutenant General Mali Socheata, spokesperson for the Ministry of National Defense, reported a series of escalating military actions by Thai forces against Cambodia on December 8, 2025. She said around 05:04 a.m., the Thai military forces launched an attack on the Cambodian forces in Anses area, Tamon Tom Temple, the vicinity of Prawihir Temple, Prampi Makara, Chomkachek, Mombay, Phnom Kmok, Kul 8, Takrabe Temple, and Kana Temple. The attack occurred after the Thai military forces launched their attack on the Cambodian forces at 02:15 p.m. on December 7. The Thai military forces continued its provocative actions as listed below. At 04:00, two heavy Thai military vehicles transported forces from Phnom Ruang into the opposite side of the Anses area. At 05:04, Thai soldiers fired 25 small arms shots from the west of Anses Market toward Cambodian forces. At 05:19, Thai soldiers fired 38 small arms shots from the same location toward Cambodian forces. At 05:25, Thai soldiers fired 120 rounds from small arms and machine guns at Cambodian forces from the west of Anses Market. At 05:40, Thai soldiers ceased firing. Cambodian forces continue to vigilantly monitor the situation along the Cambodia-Thailand border and remain on high alert. At 06:13, Thai soldiers fired 3 rounds from MT-60 guns. At 06:22, Thai soldiers fired 4 mortar rounds at the Cambodian defensive line in the Anses area. At 06:51, Thai forces attacked the Tamon Temple area using tanks. At 07:40, Thai forces fired on multiple targets: Mumbai, Anses, Phnom Kmok, Kul 8, Prawihir Temple, Tamon Temple, Takrabe Temple, and Kana Temple, using 155mm heavy artillery, tanks, and various types of mortars in the Anses area. At 8:10, Thai forces deployed toxic gas in the Phnom Kmok area. At 8:14, Thai forces released additional toxic gas near Prawihir Temple. At 8:41, Thai forces continued heavy shelling at Damnaksgak, the area between Tamardon and Tamwon Temple. Thai military aircraft were observed flying along the border. At 9:05, Thai forces attacked Cambodian troops in Sra Em Commune, Chomkan District, Prawihir Province using F-16 fighter jets.